Why is standard form important in algebra? Have you ever wondered why we write equations in a specific way? Today, we are going to talk about the importance of standard form in algebra, especially when dealing with systems of linear equations and nonlinear equations and functions. Standard form provides a clear and consistent way to write equations. For linear equations, this means writing them as x plus y plus c equals 0. In this format, a, b, and c are constants, while x and y are variables. This setup helps everyone see the key parts of the equation more easily. When you have equations in standard form, it becomes simpler to compare them. This is especially useful when you are working with systems of equations, where you need to solve for multiple variables at once. For example, if you have two equations in standard form, you can use methods like substitution or elimination to find the values of x and y. Elimination is particularly effective when both equations are in standard form. You can add or subtract the equations to eliminate one variable, making it easier to solve for the other. This systematic approach saves time and reduces mistakes. Standard form also helps when you want to graph the equation. Linear equations representing straight lines and the coefficients in standard form relate directly to the slope and intercepts of the line. This connection allows learners to visualize how changes affect y, making the relationships clearer. Another benefit of using standard form is that it reduces confusion. When everyone writes equations in the same way, it minimizes errors during calculations and comparisons. This uniformity lays the groundwork for more advanced algebra topics, making them easier to tackle later on. In summary, standard form is important because it organizes equations in a recognizable way. It helps identify coefficients and constants, facilitates solving systems of equations, aids in graphing, and promotes clear communication in algebra. By mastering standard form, learners build a strong foundation for understanding more complex algebra concepts, making the subject more approachable for everyone.